Well, as promised, I tried to do some 0 to 60 runs again today and get some video evidence of it. Problem is, we had some snow today and the roads were a little bit wet, so I had a little bit of trouble hooking this thing up. And then, you know, with the tires spinning, obviously you're not going to get the kind of results that you could potentially get. So may have to do it, you know, another day, but I'm going to show you some video clips. I still ran 3 different passes today, all of them in the 7-second range, spinning tires sometimes, lighting the 35-inch tires up, and still was able to run some pretty good speeds. So without further ado, here's some video clips. Okay, so as promised, I'm going to try and do a couple of these 0 to 60 runs real quick. I'm going to make sure traffic is completely out of the way and there are no cars around here on this 4-lane highway. You see there's a lot of traffic going by right now. We're going to wait for them to get cleared out, and then we're going to see what happens here. So let me put this taser into 0 to 60 mode real quick. All right, we're in 0 to 60 mode. Now I'm going to attempt to hold the camera as still as I can, so bear with me here. Got a 7.26 that time. That's about what I expected, because like I said the other day when I did this, my first run was an 8 something, spinning the tires. I did a few runs in the 7s, and then I tried another one, got a 6.92, so that's about what I expected. It's as you can see, it's 41 degrees outside. The road is a little bit wet, but not too bad, so I didn't really notice that the tires spun on that run. I think it felt pretty good overall. So let me get on up the road here. Maybe I'll try one more time, see what happens. All right, here we go. Ready? One more vehicle. All right, here we go. 0 to 60, and we're gonna be off here in just a second. Just about the same result, 7.3. Again, you know, that's pretty much what I expected. So there you go, guys. You know, and I guess last night that 6.92 that I pulled must have done something just perfect off the line, I guess. But you know, if you can tell if you played around with this thing, you could do it. Bottom line is, this is a Jeep, not a sports car, not made necessarily for 0 to 60. But I just wanted to show you how quick these things are, with the 35-inch tires, the lift kit, and the 345 stock gears. So there you have it. Good grief. The thing is spinning tires and running 7-second 0 to 60 runs. Oh, and just as a reminder, this thing has stock exhaust on it. And there's the tire size, 315/70. It's a 35/12/50 equivalent. And the engine is bone stock, all the way down to the factory air box. This thing is 100% stock as far as the driveline is concerned. So just in case anybody wants to say, well, you must have a supercharger kit on there. Nope, this is a stock Jeep. Okay guys, so again, the point of all that is just to show you that these things are really, really strong Jeeps. I mean, the driveline on these things is so sturdy and strong that I really, really don't believe that you need to re-gear just for 35-inch tires. And that was the whole point of this experiment. I just wanted to show you that you can get some pretty good performance out of these JL Wranglers in stock form, with the 345 gears and the larger tires. Now again, if you go 37s, 39s and beyond, you might want to change the gears out. That's obviously is personal preference, but just for a 35-inch tire, I don't think it's necessary whatsoever. Plenty of passing power, plenty of power to pull a utility trailer. I mean, it's just awesome as is. So save that big $1,500 or $2,000 tab and skip the gears. Spend the money on something else. All right, now I got to get to work on this Mach 1 and get the brakes back together on it. So we'll talk to you guys later.